Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you are the primary admin. This saves time and avoids approval delays. Once confirmed, gather legal proof of the new name, business registration certificate, and tax ID because Gpay verifies identity. Then open the Google Pay Business app or Payments console and sign in with your admin account. Make sure the app is updated. An old version may hide the name change option. Now proceed to the Settings area to locate Business Profile Editing controls. Once in the Profile Editor, choose Edit Name and enter the exact new legal name. Upload clear scans of registration documents and, if applicable, a board resolution. Gpay uses these to match legal entity records. In the explanation field, state why the change occurred and include a contact email for verification. Make sure spellings match government ID. Mismatches cause rejections. After attaching files, submit the request and note the reference number so you can follow up if needed. You will receive an email confirmation, and a review typically takes 3 to 14 business days, so monitor your inbox. Once approved, the new name appears on receipts and the dashboard. Make sure banking records align to avoid payment holds. If the request is rejected, read the rejection reason, correct document mismatches, and resubmit immediately. If processing exceeds 14 business days or you need urgent escalation, contact Google Pay Business Support with your reference number to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.